Hello everyone, today we will discuss pigging activity, including what pigging is, the types of pigs used, and the basic procedure, associated hazard, and essential control measures. Pigging is a pipeline operation in which a device known as a pig is inserted into a pipeline and propelled by the product flow or by compressed air or nitrogen. The main purposes of pigging are to clean internal pipe surfaces, remove debris, wax, scale, or accumulated liquids, separate different product in multi-product pipeline, and inspect pipeline integrity using intelligent or smart pig. Pigging is widely used in oil and gas facilities, chemical plants, refineries, and water pipeline to maintain operational efficiency, safety, and pipeline integrity. Different types of pigs are used depending on the task. Utility pigs are used for cleaning, dewatering, and batching. Cleaning pigs are fitted with the brushes, scraper, or abrasive materials. Sealing pigs are used for product separation. Intelligent or smart pig inspect corrosion, cracks, and metal loss, while foam pigs are commonly used for light cleaning, debris removal, and line proving. Pigging activities start with planning and preparation. This includes reviewing pipeline details such as length, diameter, bends, and wall, selecting the appropriate pig type, conducting a risk assessment and job safety analysis, and verifying the condition of the pig launcher and receiver. During pig loading, the launcher is isolated, depressurized, and drained before opening the closure. The pig is then inserted in the correct direction and the launcher door is properly closed and secured. During pig launching, pressure is gradually equalized between the launcher and the pipeline. The main line valve is opened slowly and the pig is propelled using process fluid or compressed gas, while pressure and flow are continuously monitored. The pig then travels through the pipeline performing its intended function with the movement track using pig signaler and pressure trends. At the receiving stage, the receiver is isolated, depressurized, and drained. The closure is open only after confirming zero pressure and the pig is removed safely. After completion, the pig is inspected, observations are recorded, and the system is restored to normal operation. Pigging involves several hazards, including sudden pressure release, pig launcher or receiver door failure, projectile hazard from trap pressure, and overpressure caused by a stuck pig. Health hazards include exposure to hydrocarbons, toxic gases such as H2S, contaminated sludge, and oxygen deficient atmosphere. Fire and explosion risk arises from flammable releases, static electricity, ignition or near pig traps, while operation hazards include incorrect valve sequencing and misidentification of pig location. Control measures include properly designed pig traps, pressure relief devices, pig signalers, approved procedure, farmer to work system, trained personnel, correct valve sequencing, continuous monitoring, appropriate PPs, gas testing, and emergency preparedness. Pig trap must never be opened without confirming zero pressure, and any abnormal condition requires immediate work stoppage. Stay safe and document if you want such other informative videos.